Welcome back to the Speed Wheels. Today we're about to meet something the world has never seen before. The Toyota Hulk Motorhome 2026, a two-story luxury monster that blends the strength of the Hulk with the precision of Toyota engineering. Massive, muscular, and magnificent, this is not just a motorhome, it's a moving mansion for superheroes. The front fascia looks alive. Sharp LED eyes glow menacingly in neon green, and that bold, Hulk-inspired grille gives it an identity of raw power. It's aggressive, yet elegant, just like the superhero it's named after. From the side, it's clear. This is a two-story beast on wheels. The emerald body shimmers under light, its chrome accents outlining a shape that's both aerodynamic and muscular. The Toyota Hulk Motorhome 2026 badge glows proudly, announcing its futuristic DNA. The wheels are a masterpiece, massive chrome alloys with glowing green hubcaps. Underneath, Toyota's intelligent adaptive suspension system ensures a ride smoother than silk, even on the roughest terrains. This motorhome doesn't just move, it glides. Under the beastly shell lies a hybrid twin-turbo V8 engine, paired with Toyota's latest electric drive system, pumping out a jaw-dropping 950 horsepower. It rockets this 22-ton luxury home from 0 to 60 in under 7 seconds. And yes, it's fully turbocharged and runs partly electric, making it both powerful and eco-conscious. In the showroom, people can't stop staring. On the massive display screens, the Hulk Motorhome conquers mountains, coasts, and megacities, proving that it's not just a showpiece, it's built for adventure. As you step inside, the automatic door opens with a futuristic hum, revealing a world that feels like stepping into a private jet, only better. The green LED glow welcomes you to a luxury universe unlike anything you've seen before. The main lounge is pure opulence, handcrafted leather recliners, ambient lighting that changes with your mood, and a panoramic skylight flooding the cabin with natural light. The minibar and 75-inch OLED screen make it the ultimate hangout spot on wheels. The kitchen area features smart appliances, marble counters, and hidden storage that folds out automatically. From cappuccinos to gourmet dinners, everything is controlled by a single voice command, because even chefs deserve luxury. The upper floor bedroom redefines comfort. A king-size smart bed that adjusts firmness automatically, a panoramic view window for stargazing, and Rolls-level finish with emerald and gold interiors. This is where power meets peace. The washroom feels like a luxury spa. Rainfall shower, gold fixtures, heated floors, and mirrors that never fog. There's even an aroma diffuser built into the vent system, giving you that 5-star spa experience wherever you park. Technology here is next level. The AI-powered Hulk Smart Drive system controls lighting, temperature, and even mood settings. Say, relax mode, and the lights dim, the temperature adjusts, and soft ambient music starts playing. At night, it transforms into a glowing emerald beast. Green LED lines tracing every curve. It's not just a motorhome, it's a light show on wheels. All this power, luxury, and innovation comes with a fitting price tag, around $3.8 million US. But what you're buying isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. The Toyota Hulk Motorhome 2026 is the ultimate fusion of strength, comfort, and style. Future of luxury travel, built for giants. If this Hulk of luxury blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe for more futuristic vehicle reviews, and share it with someone who'd love to own this beast, because this isn't just travel, it's domination on wheels.